So I'm Sebring Frehner of Sebring Seeds and Sebring on a lot of the forums. If you haven't met me, contact me, and I'd definitely love to meet you. But I use DYNOMYCO, and I have since it was developed. I'm always looking for better products, frankly. And when I tried DYNOMYCO, it was one of the few products I've used that showed dramatic results just in the first grow. And since I was doing autoflowers, which are already a reduced cycle, where they're in the ground and back out harvested within 3 months, I tried a lot of stuff, and DYNOMYCO was the only one where I was seeing like double growth rate and really positive results even in that short period. And so it's the only thing I will use. If you're using something else, you're using the wrong stuff. You definitely need to be getting a hold of some DYNOMYCO because it is by far the best stuff on the market. It's not just scientifically tested as being the best. A lot of us breeders and growers have been using it for a couple years now, and we'll never go back.